District Court Senior Judge Talasa Atuasaanga has imposed 4 bail conditions on the Fatuatualia Tuasamoa Watasi, or FAST Party leader, Laulia Lemaliatoa Watea Polataiva Schmidt, when he appeared for first mention yesterday morning. The bail conditions include surrendering of all travel documents, signing at the police office on Fridays, prohibited from talking about the court case on social media, and refrain from contacting police witnesses on this case. In applying for bail, Prosecutor Taimalelangi Leinafo Strickland informed the court that the registrar at the time La'auli was charged did not accept the bail conditions. Taimalelangi pointed out that 5 other accused who have already pleaded not guilty to the charges against them, and with the exemption of Sam, who is in custody, have all been given bail conditions. They are Member of Parliament Fepulea Ifai Matasua, Li'o Fatau Malama Au'awa, Lise Schmidt, Sivai Kepi, and Samuel Usua. Should La'auli be given no bail conditions, the others could apply for the same treatment. She also highlighted the impact of La'auli's social media attention that can have an impact on the public and the pending case. On the surrendering of travel documents, she said this would deter the risk of the accused not appearing in court. Counsel Miro Lui countered that her client is not a flight risk and is a known public figure. Lui agreed to limit La'auli's social media access to mentioning of the current case, but not to disallow him from social media altogether. She stated, as the leader of a political party, and with the election coming up, communication plays a big role in his leadership, and one avenue he utilizes is social media. After hearing the arguments, Judge Sa'anga said she would impose bail conditions until Friday, and she will give her reasons when the matter is recalled for remention and for prosecution to finalize their charges. La'auli is facing a total of 16 charges, and according to Taimalelangi, there are 2 sets of charges. One set includes 4 charges relating to the 5 accused whose cases are pending for hearing in May, and the other 12 charges are new alternative charges which include harassment, defamation, and issuing of insulting words. The 4 charges have been finalized, and Judge Atoa have given prosecution Thursday this week to finalize the alternative charges. The matter was called in the district court, which has limited seating space, and only a few managed to get inside and the rest waited outside. Prior to and after the mention, the crowd, who were mainly FAST supporters, both locally and a few from overseas, joined in a brief prayer service in support of the party leader.